what would typically happen is one of two things. Kids, I would go home at night, I'd sit down, I'd look at my email, and I'd have these emails from my kids saying, Mr. Dahlman, I remember you talking about how to explain evidence in an argumentative essay, but I don't remember. Can you tell me about that again? And I'd have to write out a long email, or I'd have to say, that's too hard to do over email, talk to me in the morning. So I either had to go that way, or the other option was students would typically just not do their homework and then come in the next day and say, like, I didn't understand, so I had nothing to do. So I was really hitting that roadblock of complex learning task. I forgot how to do it properly. I quit, or I am going to ask you to do it over email instead of in a more personal manner. So, okay, so the impact of these instructional videos have been pretty large. I get students that feel more empowered to take control of what they have to do. Their troubleshooting and problem-solving skills, they have an avenue to follow instead of just feeling hopeless. For me, I feel confident knowing that I have something that I put out there that allows my students, when they feel like they don't remember how to do it, because some of these complex tasks, I'm asking kids to learn about it in the morning, go through an entire school day, and then go home and then try to take that on. I feel more confident knowing that they have the resources available to be successful. And for parents, it's twofold. One, they know where to direct their kids to get the help that their students need, which is, as a parent myself, is sometimes a powerless feeling. This gives them that option and they know where to go. And two, the parents can watch my instruction. And then when they're working with the kid, they can reinforce the things I'm asking them to do or better understand the steps that I'm asking the students to take. So it's been very helpful on a number of different levels for that.